And we have our new avocado tool. And this is really cool because if you see, it has some 3 different little knife type of things that you sort of hammer down onto the seed of the avocado and it pulls it right out. Then it's got this little knife on the end so that you can actually cut into it and get all of the meat out of it. So this is what you do. You just go down like that and bring it right off. And it's
Super
very
easy.
easy. Super easy. And this is Nicole.
Hi.
Sorry, I didn't introduce ourselves. So what we're doing is this tool here, and we're going to, if you want the interactive catalog to look at the new catalog and new items in the catalog, just send us an email or a message on Facebook, or just message us that way and we'll get you the interactive catalog. Okay, and so I had to get my bowl out that I didn't get. So I'm going to be, you want to help? Do, let's see, you can just scoop it out, and then I'm going to cut this piece. Yeah, wait a minute, that's, here. Hand me a little scoop loop. This is our scoop loop. It's an amazing tool that we use to scoop out the avocado with. Since I'm using the knife, I'm going to let her use that. So with this, what we're going to do is we're putting the avocado in. See, oops, see how easy that is to just take out, and then you just take it off, and it's very easy to take off as well. One more avocado. I'm going to I'll show you some of our spices we have back here. If you guys have not tried any of our spices, they're very good. Did I not get that one out?
I don't think so.
They're very good, and they're really comparable to the other spices that you would get in your grocery store. And it can be delivered right to your house. So those are something to think about when you're getting the spices in our guacamole tonight. Is the garlic rub, and I'm just going to use, I always use cumin. Oh, the onions. Thought I had my 3 onion. Yeah, here it is. So I'm going to use the 3 onion powder and the garlic rub. So I've got the 3 onion rub, and I've got the garlic rub, and I'm going to get my mix and chop, which is perfect for this or for meat and chicken, all kinds of things that you can, mashing potatoes up. So this is one of our best sellers, and it's just, if you don't have it, I've seen others that places that you can purchase these, but I have actually felt them and held them in my hand. Nothing is as sturdy and as good as the mix and chop. So I've got that pretty much mixed up for a little bit, as much as I need. And what I'm going to, for right now, and what I'm going to do is sort of shake that up some. And I usually just eye this when I'm putting it in there. And so that's the 3 onion mix that we're using in the guacamole. And now I'm putting in the garlic rub, and going to just sort of eye that. And what I usually do is I come back and I taste it. If I need to add anything else, I do. Also, we don't have cumin right now that I know of. It might be in our Southwestern seasoning, but I like the taste of cumin. So I put a little bit of cumin in here, 5 minutes. So now I need some salt. Get right in here. Just some salt. And a little bit of pepper to the guacamole. Let's see, I've been talking, so I need to think about what I put in here. We put in the garlic rub, we put in the 3 onion rub, we put in salt and pepper, we've been putting cumin. haven't gotten my, sometimes I put lime, sometimes I don't put lime. So tonight I'm not going to put lime because I don't have it out here right now. So we're just going to stir this around. And this is really great because it works like a little wheel going around as you're mixing it all together after you've mashed it up. So this is basically our guacamole. I did do a taste test. Very good.